Hello Kasturians. Chapter The First Cities. So in the previous video we have learned about citadel in Mohenjo-daro cities. Citadels are the high ground land made for the ruling class people. Also, the most impressive structure at Mohenjo-daro is the Great Bath, which is a rectangular structure and resembles a swimming pool, used for bathing and celebrating on special occasions. Now, let's talk about the lower town in Mohenjo-daro. The common people used to live in the lower town. Their houses were 2 or more stories high, were built of baked bricks. Most houses had a courtyard with rooms around it, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a well. The drainage system of these cities were very well planned. The bathrooms had sloping floors and had drains which were connected to street drains. The kitchens also had drains connected to main street drains, and the street drains ran along the sides of the street, which were all covered with bricks and were cleaned time to time. Occupation and craft. Farmers, weavers, potters, jewelers, metal workers, toy makers, stone cutters, seal makers, boat makers, masons, and traders. People followed different occupations, but pottery making had reached an advanced stage. A large number of seals have also been found. Most of them are made of terracotta. Terracotta toys like small clay carts, bullock carts, sheep, boats, and figures of animals were made. The toy model of a plough has been found. It shows that people used ploughs to farm their land. People domesticated cattle, buffaloes, sheep, and goats. These animals were perhaps used for both milk and meat. Trade. The Harappans exported surplus goods and bought in goods that were in a short supply. Copper, tin, gold, silver, and other precious metals were brought from outside, possibly from Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is another civilization that was flourishing now in modern Iraq. Script. The Harappan scripts has been engraved on many seals that have been found in the Indus Valley sites. These are the earliest form of writing discovered in India. As you can see from the picture, the scripts of Harappans were picture-like signs representing some words, objects, and ideas, which is called pictography. Harappan cities in Gujarat. Cities like Lothal, Dholavira, Goladhoru were some important sites in Gujarat. Let's talk about these cities in detail. This is the picture of city Lothal. This picture was taken at the time of excavation of Lothal city in Gujarat. The Lothal city is a coastal site. It was divided into citadel and a lower town. The large warehouses were being found here. They were used to store goods. It was further discovered that Lothal was a port for overseas trade with Mesopotamia, as many Mesopotamian seals were found in Lothal. Dholavira. Dholavira lies in the Khadir Island in Rann of Kutch. It is one of the largest Indus settlements in India in terms of size, and also fifth largest of the sites that have been discovered till now. Dholavira was different in terms of division. Dholavira was divided into three parts on the land area, that is, a citadel, a middle town, and a lower town. Many pottery and jewelry was excavated from the graves found in Dholavira. Also, the oldest signboard in the world containing 10 large size signs of Harappan scripts were found here. The another important city of Harappan civilization was found in Goludhara. The Goladhara is a recently excavated site in Kutch region. It excavated with many articles like shell and copper that were produced during that time. Many factory sites of shell bangles have been found, with many finished and unfinished bangles. Also, a unique seal has been found. It is shaped like a box and is hollow. Decline or end of civilization. About 3,500 years ago, there was a big change in the lives of the people in Harappa. The number of people living in the cities became less. The trade stopped. Instead of baked bricks, now people start using sun-dried bricks. Steadily, the houses become less impressive. In Mohenjo-daro, it is said that the drains were choked and the garbage got piled up on the street. Nobody knows the exact reason, but something was wrong. It is perhaps said that there were many natural disasters like earthquake, flood, and also might be the change in the course of river Indus. Whatever the reason, the evidences found and studied by the archaeologist says that the people left the cities and moved to the smaller settlements.